Okay, I do have 3 porterweed plants planted right here. They're starting to get spikes. You can see one is the purple one there. These were cuttings from last year that overwintered in my house, and I planted them this spring. I had them in potting soil. Planted them out here. I'm not exactly sure the date, but it was probably in late May. The phlox are starting to bloom. The daylilies are not at peak, but they will be soon, probably next week. Peak bloom for the mid-bloomers. This one is called Best of Friends. That's a really nice clump. And this is a spider type daylily. That's called Parfait. That's a really old one. Probably back almost from the 50s by Frank Childs. I have a pentas plant, an old-fashioned pentas plant. Butterflies really like that, as well as the phlox. They really like that. Here's another one of the Amistad salvia plants that will grow as tall as the stakes. There's a phlox beside it that hasn't started to bloom yet. Here's a nice daylily called Special Effects by Bob Carr. I won't tell you all the names of the daylilies, but you can see that they're all different colors and shapes and sizes. This one here, I think it's called Mapping Carolina because of the lines in the flower. There's a little round bed that sort of got overtaken by the bee balm, and in the back there is a pot of salvia skyscraper orange. I have another salvia there. Another skyscraper orange. I actually have about 5 of them in this area here. Here's a pretty orange daylily, and then we have the bronze fennel, which is really tall. I grow that for the black swallowtails that butterflies will come in and lay their eggs on the foliage, and the eggs hatch into caterpillars. The caterpillars eat the foliage, and then they fall off the plant, and the chrysalis attaches itself to another plant. This is about the monarch butterfly, the black swallowtail, not monarchs. And then they will develop into butterflies and fly away, hopefully if they don't get eaten by birds. Here I have some daylilies, I have some lantana, I have some celosia. There's some hosta there, as well as the ferns. I'll just span around here before I turn it off and go through the gate on the side garden.